Hey everyone, it's Marie from SpeechTeachPro on TPT, and I'm here today to tell you about an app, a free app called Animal 4D Plus. It's great anytime you have an animal activity in your class. It brings these animals to life, and students can see these animals move right in front of them. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. Okay, the first thing you do is download the app, and then you'll see a series of cards, and they're in alphabetical order. And those are the images of each animal. And you can just use them as animal cards. And then there's a little information about each animal. You have a preschool version and an advanced version. Bears are mostly. Then you can resize the animals. You can turn them around. So that's like a 2D, 3D version. And then after that, if you want more of an augmented reality experience, then you have to purchase the cards. They're on Amazon. I believe they're like $17, maybe $17, $18. I'll put the link in the comments. Okay, so these are what the cards look like. They look like just regular cards in alphabetical order. And they're a card from A to Z, but the augmented reality experience, you put the card on the table and you look through a phone or an iPad. And once you put the card on the table, set your iPad or phone up, prop it up, you will see this animal, whatever animal card you have. So here's another one with a monkey. And you'll see a monkey eating bananas because there's a banana card. I think they're like 5 food cards. So it's pretty exciting and pretty interesting. So I hope that your kids really enjoy it. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.